I thought I was.
You weren't recording that?
No. Are you misbehaving? Oh no, what's Daddy doing? What's Daddy doing? He's being a goofball.
That crazy thing. He's crazy thing.
We're at 410 Bank Street, where we were 9 years ago or something. We didn't have a Fiona. I don't know what Ross is doing.
Doing 410. 410.
Yeah, 410. Yeah.
410. We didn't have feed back then.
No.
Wasn't even a glimmer in the eye.
Yeah. Now she's eating Fox. She just ate a ton of cheese.
Half a package of cheese. Should I get her some more? Whoa. Stuff in your hair, Fitty. Throwing stuff in your hair. Have the picture turned out. You should get a little bit more bread.
Yeah. Need some more bread for Fiona. Alright.
Okay. I know that's fun. She likes that noise.
What happened to the